Welcome to Mahesh Maths classes. We make it easy, you learn it quickly. Today, we are going to learn about the incenter and how to find the incenter when the vertices of a triangle are given. So before that, what is an incenter? Incenter is a point of concurrence of the angle bisectors of the angles of a triangle. So that is, if A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle, then this BE is an angle bisector of angle B. So angle bisectors divides the angle into two equal parts. So this BE divides angle B into B by 2, B by 2. Next, angle C divides, so this CF. So this CF divides angle C into two equal parts, that is C by 2 and C by 2, and then AD divides the angle A into A by 2 into A by 2, two equal parts. So AD, BE, CF are the angle bisectors of the triangle ABC. So if you observe, these three angle bisectors meet at a point. Okay, so this point is called as incenter and it is denoted by I. Okay, so now we derive a formula to find the incenter of the triangle. So this is the formula. So when the vertices of a triangle are ax1 y1, bx2 y2 and cx3 y3, then the incenter will be ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c, and ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by a plus b plus c, where small a, b, c are the lengths of the sides. Okay, so now we'll see the derivation of this formula. So if you observe, this A, B, C are the vertices and this is the incenter I. So it, as I told you, it is denoted by I. Now what is small a? So we have a in this formula. So small a is the side opposite to the angle A. So this is small a, means this is BC. And small b is the side opposite to angle B, that is AC, and small c is the side opposite to the angle C, that is AB. Now we have a theorem called bisector theorem, that is the bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the opposite side in the ratio of the sides containing the angle. Suppose you take the bisector of angle A. So this is AD and we know that this is BE and CF. So this AD will divide this BC, the side BC, in the ratio of other two sides, that is AB and AC, means BD by DC is equal to AB by AC. But what is AB here? AB is C, and what is AC here? AC is B. So BD by DC is equal to AB by AC is equal to C by B. So here I can write it, this is C and C, D, C and B. Now suppose if you take this as D and this as B and C, this will be C is to B. BD is to DC is C is to B. Now B is x2 y2, we know that, and C is x3 y3, and the ratio we know. So when you know the ratio, and we know that this D is dividing BC in the ratio of C is to B, when you know the coordinates of B and C, by using section formula you can find the coordinates of D. Okay, so now the coordinates of D are, we have the formula like mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So by using that you will get this as cx3 plus bx2 by c plus b, comma cy3 plus by2 by c plus b. So these are the coordinates of D. So now from equation 1 what we have, BD by DC is equal to AB by AC is equal to C by B. Now we know that BD by DC is equal to C by B. Now I am taking reciprocal, means I'm taking DC by BD is equal to B by C. So I'm adding 1 on both sides. So 1 plus 1. So you will get it as BD plus DC by BD is equal to B plus C by C. What is BD plus DC? That is nothing but BC. So if you observe here, this is BD plus DC is nothing but BC. So BC by BD is equal to B plus C by C. That implies what is BC? So BC, the side opposite to angle A will be small a. So A by BD is equal to B plus C by C. So from this we can say that BD is equal to AC by B plus C. BD is equal to AC by B plus C. Now I am taking the part of this triangle, like I am taking the triangle ABD. So this is I. Now we know what is BD. BD is nothing but AC by B plus C. This is AC by B plus C, and we know that this AB is nothing but C. Now if you observe again, this BI is the angle bisector of angle B. By using angle bisector theorem, this BI divides AD in the ratio of AB and BD. That is AI by ID is equal to AB by BD. Means this I divides AD in the ratio of AB by BD. That is equal to what is AB? AB is C here. So C by what is BD? Just now we have derived AC by B plus C. So C gets cancelled and this will be B plus C by A. Means this I divides AD in the ratio of B plus C is to A. That is B plus C and A. Now we have like this. This is A and this is D and this is I. So I is dividing in AD in the ratio of B plus C is to A. Again by using section formula, you can find the coordinates of I. So B plus C into what is the x coordinate of D here? Cx3 plus bx2 by C plus B. So that is B plus C into Cx3 plus bx2 by C plus B, okay, plus this a into x1, ax1 by C plus B plus a, comma B plus C into Cy3 plus by2 by C plus B plus ay1 by C plus B plus A. These are the coordinates of I. So if you simplify, B plus C gets cancelled, B plus C gets cancelled. Now what is remaining? If I write in order, whatever is remaining, AX1 plus BX2 plus CX3 by A plus B plus C, comma AY1 plus BY2 plus CY3 by A plus B plus C. This is the incenter of the triangle with the vertices A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. Similarly, we can show that the coordinates of the point which divides BE internally in the ratio is C plus A is to B, and the coordinates of the point which divides CF in the ratio A plus B is to C, and finally the incenter will be the same, that is AX1 plus BX2 plus CX3 by A plus B plus C, and AY1 plus BY2 plus CY3 by A plus B plus C. Suppose if the triangle is equilateral triangle. So what is an equilateral triangle? In equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. That is A is equal to B is equal to C. So now what I am doing, in place of B and C, I am writing A. That is AX1 plus AX2 plus AX3 by A plus B plus C, comma AY1 plus AY2 plus AY3 by A plus B plus C. So now if you take a common in the numerator, that will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 by, we have to replace b and c in the denominator also by a. So a. So what you will get, a plus a, that is 3a, come here also. If you take a common, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by a plus a, that is 3a. So here a gets cancelled, a gets cancelled. So we have x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, which is nothing but the centroid of a triangle whose vertices are x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. So if the triangle is an equilateral triangle, the incenter will be equal to the centroid. So in a equilateral triangle, incenter and centroid will coincide. Okay, now we will do one problem on this incenter. So find the incenter of the triangle whose vertices are a minus 1 comma 12, b minus 1 comma 0, and c 4 comma 0. So what is the formula? This is the formula just now we have derived, that is ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c, ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by a plus b plus c. We know that these are the vertices x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Now we have to find the values of small a, b and c. What is small a? That is nothing but BC, the side opposite to angle A. BC is nothing but the distance between B and C. That is minus 1 comma 0, C 4 comma 0. So let us find the distance between B and C, which is equal to small a, by using the distance formula, that is 4 minus of minus 1 whole square x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is root 5 square, that is 5. Next we have to find small b, which is the side opposite to angle B, which is equal to AC, where A is minus 1 comma 12 and C is 4 comma 0, which is equal to 4 minus of minus 1 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 12 whole square, that is equal to 5 square plus 12 square, which is equal to 169, which is equal to 13. Next we have to find small c, which is the side opposite to angle C equal to AB, where A is equal to minus 1 comma 12 and B is equal to minus 1 comma 0. So which is equal to minus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 12 whole square, which is equal to 0 square plus 12 square, which is equal to 12. Now we got the A values, where A is equal to 5, B is equal to 13, C is equal to 12. Now we will substitute in this. Therefore, I is equal to AX1. What is A? 5 into x1 minus 1 plus bx2. B is 13. x2 is minus 1 plus cx3. 12 into x3 is 4. So 12 into 4 by a plus b plus c, that is 5 plus 13 plus 12. This is x coordinate, comma. What is the y coordinate? A y1 5 into 12 plus b y2 13 into 0 plus c is 12 into y3 is 0 by 5 plus 13 plus 12. So which is equal to minus 5, 5 into minus 1 minus 5 plus 13 into minus 1 minus 13 minus 5 minus 13 minus 18 plus 48, which is equal to 30 by 5 plus 13 plus 12 is 30, comma 12 5 is a 60 plus 0, that is 60 by 30, which is equal to 31s are 31s are 31s are 32s are 1 comma 2. So the incenter of the triangle is I is equal to 1 comma 2. Okay. So if you like the video, don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.